salute on top today lifestyle segment. And as e be, we go do small aproko about one of the latest skirts wey country people don begin flex. Tool skirt na be the name. And to spell this tool skirt, you go spell the tool as T-U-L-L-E. This skirt don scatter balance since 2014. And today, I go informate on about the orisirisi ways wey you fit take rock this skirt. You fit knack this skirt on top necklace, colorful blouse or on top lace top. Two skirts go make complete sense if you knack am on top print, graphics abi leather jacket. If you no wan dey too colorful, you fit wear sequins or black top on top this confirm skirt. With better jewelry, you go turn head anywhere where you enter. If you get night paroles with oga or bros, you fit take this skirt kill am softly with neckline blouse or leather crop top. High heel sef go help you balance the look wella. If you no get this skirt inside your wardrobe or cupboard as local people dey call am, sharparly stroll enter market go collect one. May your backyard people for know say your head sef dey there. Na here I go put bottom on top today lifestyle segment. My name na Skimpy aka Pidgin website, and I dey throway salute say una good morning.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.